E for elephant. E for eggs. E for eagle. E for ear. E for eye. E for earth. E for engine. E for envelope. E for eraser. E for eggplant.
E for elf. E for elbow.
E for elevator. E for energy. E for exercise. E for experiment. E for explorer. E for exit. E for entrance. E for emoji. E for echo. E for empire. E for exam. E for earrings. E for elastic. E for evergreen. E for event. E for escalator. E for exhibition. E for extension. E for 11. E for engineer. E for eat. E for evening.